Hi, welcome to my channel. In today's video, I will show you daily Chinese handwriting on the character Hai. Step by step, I will first write it in standard script, then follow in one word and one sentence. Now, let's write. Hai. Ocean. Sea. For example, 海苔 海苔 Nori or seaweed. Nori is a popular food in Japan. Nori is a popular food in Japan.海苔是日本人的流行食品。海苔是日本人的流行食品。Food. 海苔是日本人的流行食品。Popular. 食品 food. Nori is a popular food in Japan. 海苔是日本人的流行食品。海 in cursive. 海 ocean. Sea 海苔 Nori seaweed. Nori is a popular food in Japan. 海苔是日本人的流行食品。海 Okay, please comment any words or sentence with the character 海. I hope you find this video helpful. Support my channel. Please don't forget to subscribe, click bell, like, and help me share this video. Okay, that's all for today. Thanks so much for watching. Have a wonderful day. Goodbye.